CinemaPuke is my daddy.
So I'm gonna give Birds of Prey a try. I'm gonna get the Target exclusive. Here they're also gonna have the Blu-ray, the 4K, and the DVD. Alright. And here they have some more copies. Wouldn't mind getting Bad Boys for Life, but I think I'm gonna wait on that one. They're still gonna have some copies of Mortal Kombat Legends, Scorpion's Revenge. Homeboy Ruben said it was pretty good. Look what I finally found in store. Show Era Films Godzilla box set, 1954 to 1975. This collection is gonna have 15 of the classics. This is a badass collection. Of course, by Criterion.
Unveil it.
Look at that baby. 70-incher.
No, do it that way. Yeah, do it like that.
Yeah, the way I did.
Exactly.
I didn't eyeball the way I did this.
Well, look, it's not even in the stud area. Missing.
Wait,
It's way over here. Yeah.
that's where I did it, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, 11.
Just so it doesn't get more.
Well, then go on.
Yeah, these are in stud. You can see it. It's in the stud.
Doesn't it say it was stud? That was a stud, so yeah. Okay, I don't need this anymore.
I don't want it like amazingly too tight. Yeah. So
So-
it's gonna hang like that.
Bottom
How far
TV.
it is to the bottom of the TV from the bottom hole.
Manpower.
The ratchet, I'll take it out.
Look at those holes.
Honestly, I don't know. It's
Yeah.
probably in there.
And done.
And the remote too.
Oh my god.
What's going on, guys? So I wasn't planning on doing a Tuesday's Fans video this week, but it appears I need some things around the house. So I figure, since I'm at the store, I might as well check out the new movie releases for the week. So here we go. So this week's new movie release is going to be Sonic the Hedgehog. Now I don't intend on picking it up today, but I will sometime in the future. And heard some good things about it. Bloodshot is another one I've been meaning to get. And Scoop is one I've been looking forward to. One I can enjoy with my daughter. Dark Water. For all the little goth kids. Alright, so this is going to be my only find for the day. Ghost in the Shell on DVD. You know, I was watching Alita Battle Angel the other day. I thought to myself, I really do need a lot more cyberpunk science fiction style movies, so thought I'd give this one a try. And these are going to be my finds from last week and the weekend. First up, we're going to have Uncut Gems with Adam Sandler. Now, this movie can be a little frustrating at times due to Adam Sandler's character in the movie, but it's a pretty okay watch if you can stand his character. Then I'm going to have Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of one Harley Quinn, the Target exclusive. Gotta say, this one didn't really catch my interest when it came out back in theaters, but gave it a try, watched it, and actually wound up enjoying it. Has a pretty cool Deadpool kind of vibe, so I do recommend Birds of Prey.